don't understand how you can do it in the time. You know, not everything you do is perfect, but God, when it is, it's incredible. The coffee, ice cream, smooth as. The whipped chocolate is to die for. It's just so good, and the balance is so good. The elements are so good. It is so good. Well done, mate.
Today, I actually came in thinking in my head, I haven't done dessert in a while. I feel like I want to bring out some really awesome dessert in this kitchen. Oh, Big Reynold's going sweet, I reckon. Melissa ate cake. In her pantry, that's the staple of a great dessert. Perfect.
What sweet treats are you making?
Do a simple dessert.
Oh, just a simple one, hey?
Very simple.
Always, just so straightforward.
You come to Koi, you eat cake for breakfast, you have coffee, done. You start the day right. Today, any one of us could be going home, but I feel like I want to push myself further and further and further. The first cookbook, I was really happy about that.
Wow.
Doing white noise, a dessert that's involved around white. But I don't know, I just want to challenge myself. I want to do a dessert that looks better and better and better throughout this competition. Today, I'm making a whipped ganache with a walnut brown butter crumble, coffee steeped vanilla ice cream, and a burnt vanilla meringue with lemon jam. 75 minutes is super tight with time. I don't know how I'm going to go with this, but all I know is that I've got to try it.
So smooth, Reynold. If desserts don't work out, you can be a plasterer.
Once I've coated the meringue with the beautiful vanilla ash, I pop it into the oven at a very low temperature. I'm looking at my lemon jam. It's caramelized, got this beautiful texture. I've done a ice cream mix where I've steeped the coffee beans in the milk. It's got a beautiful balance of vanilla and coffee. Oh, yeah. So I get my ice cream to the churner. The next thing I need to do is the whipped chocolate ganache, which is a dark chocolate. I was told by a chef that you won't be able to do a beautiful whipped ganache within 2 hours. I kind of want to challenge that. I soak gelatin in water, pop it in the fridge, melt my chocolate and cream in the pot, and then blend in some cold cream. It has this beautiful velvety texture without any eggs, so basically it's like an eggless mousse. It needs to set, because if I try to whip it and it's not set, it's just gonna split, and that's just gonna ruin my whole dish. Usually with the whipped ganache, it's best to set overnight. It takes a long time, so the gelatin structure is definitely gonna be super ambitious, but I love the challenge. I just love this adrenaline. I want this dish to be plated in a way how they eat it. Getting that whipped ganache, getting the ice cream, which is cold, and the different textures of the crumble, meringue. This lemon jam, it's random. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. And when you do, it's a surprise of this intensity. I feel really happy, really proud. I mean, I did this in 75 minutes. That's not a long time. And to put this up, yeah, I'm super satisfied.
Oh, my word.
Okay, firstly, the dish name.
It's chocolate with a coffee-steeped ice cream, burnt vanilla meringue, and lemon jam.
What are the elements that we've got going on here?
On the bottom is a whipped chocolate ganache and a lemon jam, brown butter walnut crumble on top, with a coffee-steeped ice cream and a burnt vanilla meringue.
Wowzers, eh? And yeah, what are the little sort of batten
Oh, yeah, that's
numbers?
right. Yeah, those are little whipped cream with creme fraiche folded through as well, and then just frozen little bits.
Right.
Oh, there's a whole other element I
Yeah.
forgot to tell. Wow.
Is this something you've made before?
No, actually. I was really surprised that it got all done in 75 minutes.
I feel like we're all surprised about what you got done in 75 minutes.
How about those little wafers?
Hey. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate
Mate.
it. Awesome.
Don't understand how you can do it in the time. You know, not everything you do is perfect, but God, when it is, it's incredible. The coffee, ice cream, smooth as. The whipped chocolate is to die for. I got a hit of the jam. Wow, just made me smile. It's just so good, and the balance is so good. The elements are so good. It is so good. Well done, mate.
Thank you.
That was about as close to transcendental dessert magic I've ever seen. It's not too sweet. The coffee balances with the lemon balances with everything else. The textures are distinct and cohesive. You have play of temperature and texture. It's just so highly conceived. It blows my little noggin. I feel privileged to eat it, so thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
When I knew that I was going to be one of the people to stand here, I was like, I was excited. It's probably right up there with the dish of the competition. It's technically sound, but overall, it tastes bloody fantastic, Reynold. I'm so glad that I got to be here to eat it. Really, really well done, and congratulations, because I don't think you're going home, mate.
Thank you.
This is why we do what we do, because of dishes.
We'll clean more later on. Well done, mate. Thank you. Appreciate it.
That chocolate layer, it was like velvet. And then the lemon, oh my God.
Well done. Freaking amazing.
Thanks, man. That's a really nice feeling, you know, high fives all around. Maybe this can be a dish that I can take back to my restaurant. I'm super proud of it.